现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome to another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you the phrase hungry. 肚子饿是我们这个月教的片语。
肚脐。
肚脐。然后下个月呢，将是端午节了，
要包粽子了。
吃粽子，你包我吃。
好啊。
Okay, let's hear a conversation about rice dumplings and getting hungry for it. Okay, 我们来听一段这个端午节的对话。
一節會到嘅，牙不下會爆粽嘅，
牙當好食粽嘅，
講嘅，牙出肚脐咧。
好，里面呢，我们来一个一个来分解一下了哦。
好，
第一句就是端午节快到了，我家要包粽子。Dragon Boat Fest is coming, and I am going to be making some 粽子 or rice dumpling at home.
一節會到嘅，
一節會到嘅，
牙不下會爆粽嘅，
牙不下會爆粽嘅。OK， 包粽誒就是包粽子嘛。粽誒 again is the rice dumpling. 包 is the action to wrap it, to make it, and then 我家裡嘛 my house, okay, my home. We're going to be doing this. 牙不下 okay, that's what it means. And then again, the festival that's coming up is called 端午節。
一節。
Okay, that again is Dragon Boat Fest. 这个讲着，他就说我很喜欢吃粽子。I really love eating rice dumplings.
愛凍烤食粽誒，
愛凍烤食粽誒。Okay, 我很喜歡嘛，凍烤 that means I really like eating 食粽誒 that is 粽子。Okay, 說着呢，就肚子餓了。我真的也是這樣子。
真的哈。
想到說到就會想到，想到就會肚子餓，
就會餓到了。
As we speak of this, I am getting hungry.
講誒，愛出肚脐咧。
講誒，愛出肚脐咧。講着，說着，講誒 that means as we speak, as I talk about this, I am getting hungry. 我就肚子餓了，肚脐咧。All right, let's review some of the phrases. Again, you should know how to say 端午節 Dragon Boat Fest. 一節 Okay, and then to eat or make the 粽子 rice dumpling. 粽誒 And as I speak, 說着，講誒Okay, that means as we talk about this, blah, blah, blah. Let's listen to the conversation again.
一節會到誒，牙不下會爆粽誒，
牙當好食粽嘅，
講誒，愛出肚脐咧。
And this month, we're teaching you how to say hungry when you're hungry. 肚子餓，
肚脐。
There you go, another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.